Hello, in this video we show you the location and the wiring diagram for the barometric pressure sensor on Mercedes E270 CDI W211. First I'll show you the location of the barometric pressure sensor in the service manual, and then I'll show you the wiring diagram. The barometric pressure sensor is located right there, just in front of the air filter housing and just on the mass airflow sensor. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for the barometric pressure sensor. That's the wiring diagram, and that's in blue is the barometric pressure sensor. We can see it has three wires. One of them is brown black, red blue, and gray red, and they're all connected to the engine ECU. Next I'll show you the location of the barometric pressure sensor on the car. So the location of the sensor is right there, just at the mass airflow sensor. That's the mass airflow sensor, and this on top is the barometric pressure sensor. Now I'll give you a closer view to see that's the barometric pressure sensor. I'll give you a closer view to see the part number of it. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much.